Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove background from video in CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut, then select your picture video. Now press on your video. Now search for background remove. Here you can see the option of remove PG. Press on this. Now click on auto removal. That's it. So this is how to remove background from video in CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.